try this SAT problem by yourself first, and then leave me the answer in the comments below. Let's go. So what we have is what system of linear equations is represented by the lines shown. So there are two lines that are intersecting at this point. We know systems of equations where they intersect, that is a solution for both the equations of both the lines. Okay, and in this case that is x value 0, 8 and y value 0, 8, 0. That's the point, they're intersecting right here. Now that should work for the equations, both equations, if they are correct. So let's go ahead and start substituting them quickly in the answer choices. Choice A is 8 times 8 plus 4 times 0. That's 64 plus 0 equals 32. So that doesn't work out. So we can just go ahead and cancel A because the first one doesn't work out. Second one, B, 8 times 8, 64 minus 4 is 60 is equal to 32. That doesn't work out as well. So let's look at choice C. 8 times 4 is 32 minus 10 times 0 is 0 equals 32. That works. So in the second equation, negative 8 times 8 is negative 64 equals negative 64. That works as well. Okay, so C works. D also works. 32 equals 32. Negative 8 times 8 is negative 64 equals negative 64. So both choice, now we have a problem. Both choice D and choice C work when we substitute. So how are we going to solve this? Well, let's take a look at the slopes. The slopes of both the lines are negative. Okay, so we know the slopes are negative by looking at the graph up here. Both are negative. They're going down from left to right. So let's look at the slopes very quickly of C then. 4x minus 10y equals 32. Let's rewrite that in the y equals mx plus b form. So bringing the 4x to the other side, we have negative 10y equals negative 4x plus 32. So I'm going to isolate y by dividing by negative 10. So that gives me, so that y equals, so the negative cancels off. Now we have a positive slope, okay? 2/5 x minus 3.2. That's a positive slope. That doesn't work out. So C, we can eliminate C as a choice because it's a positive slope. So let's go and see. D is the correct answer, but let's go and see if this works. Then let's write both these equations in the slope intercept form. So the first one, we have a negative slope because when we bring the 4x, it becomes negative. So it's a negative slope. The second equation is, let's write it in the y equals mx plus b form. So negative 10y, bring the 8y to the other side, becomes positive 8y. Now divide both sides by negative 10. So that also gives us a negative slope. So we see here very quickly, so both the slopes of the choice D are negative. So that is indeed the correct answer. All right, have a nice day. Bye.